Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. Sometimes when we search for product on 1688 Chinese shopping app, maybe we forgot to save the product to our favorite, or we forgot to add the product to cart, and we still want to purchase that particular product that we have lost the link. And in this video, I'm going to show you on how to stop losing track of any search history of whatever product you search for on 1688. This is a new update from 1688 Chinese shopping app that allow you to search or track your search history on your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using 1688, pinduoduo, Taobao, or Alipay, or any Chinese e-commerce play website or app, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to find your search history on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's get it. So let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. After you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you download the updated version of 1688 Chinese shopping. How do you do that? Next thing you need to do is to click on this particular icon right here, and it's going to take you to your dashboard. As you can see right there, I have already downloaded the updates of this 1688 Chinese shopping app. That is where you are seeing new interface entirely. But if you have not updated your app, next thing you need to do is to click on this icon right here. When you click on that, it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click that. So to update to the latest version, next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on here. So once you click on that, you will be asked to download the latest version of 1688 Chinese shopping app. And the current version, as at the time of making this video, is 11.58. So once you download the latest version, then you get back. Now on getting back right here, for you to see some of the product search history that you have been searching for on 1688. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then you have everything right here. So these are all your search history or any products that you have clicked on the link in the past. You are going to find everything right here. That's it. For more tutorial about update on 1688 Chinese shopping app or how best you can import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.